warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, we are from group 6. We want to show you how to make fried noodle.
Ingredient is
Noodles, waters, chopped sauce and powder,
the material is
stove,
spatula,
pan,
basin.
plate.
Put the water into the pan and heat it in the stove until 2 minutes. Second, put the noodles into the water and wait until 5 minutes. Use the spatula to break the noodles. Next, put the powder into the basin and mix it. After that, put the noodles into the basin and mix it with the powder, ketchup and sauce.
Finally, serve the noodle into the plate. And enjoy it. Ta-da! This is it. That is how to make fried noodle from group 6. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Hi, we are from Kadu.